Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day so far. I want to go over something quick with you. Brake drums, even rotors on some occasions, where they won't come off. So what do? How do you get them off? Well, on a lot of Japanese cars, they actually give you a threaded hole in the drum or the rotor. Let me show you. Like on this one, on this Toyota that I'm working on. This is the one that I'm going to be putting axle bearings in, so we're going to cover that too in another video. But if you look close, that threaded hole right there and that threaded hole right there is what we're going to use. Those are actually there to help you get the drum off. Let me show you how this works. You're going to find two bolts for this one, and these are 8x125 thread pitch, and I'll show you what I got. These two right here. So you're going to take yourself some PB Blaster or whatever you got, and you want to spray this thing up. Get some goop in there. And then you're going to take the bolts. You're going to start them in like that. Start them in like that. And now this is going to act like a press. Now I'm going to grab my little gun, 13mm socket. Going to go on it. And you're going to hit it lightly. Oops, wrong way. You're going to hit it lightly. And you can see it actually started to move the drum already. And you do a little bit at a time each side to help walk it off. Now, when you get to a point, what I always do is I start to rotate the drum. Because what happens is the drum will actually hang up on the shoes. And then it'll get stuck and you can actually break the springs or, break the shoes. So you want to make sure you're not doing that. I'll bring this all the way to the end, like that. Now, the reason you want to do it a little bit at a time, too, is those holes are there to help you. But as you can see, the drum material is not that thick. So it's very easy to strip out the drum. So why not use it to its fullest advantage? If you bottom the bolt out and the drum doesn't start to move, put a little bit more pressure on the bolt, maybe do it by hand, and then wrap the drum with a hammer easily. And what you would do is, you would take a trusty hammer like this, my dead blow, and you would hit it here, 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 here. You can even go in between the studs. And what that'll do is it'll actually break it free. So now let me just pull the drum off. And that exposes the brakes down below. Now obviously I'll take those bolts out when I put the drum back in place. A lot of times you'll get debris on here. You want to clean any debris off of here that you get. Blow it off with a blowgun, maybe take a Scotch-Brite pad, whatever. Just clean it up a little bit. And also, put the holes back in the same spot. Where those bolts pressed out, they're going to leave a mark on the face of the flange. And what you want to do is, you want to put the drum back in the same exact spot, rotor back in the same exact spot. Because otherwise, if you put it in a different, if you clock it in a different position, that indentation, that mark, whatever, can actually create a noise. I've heard rotors create a knocking noise because of that. So it's just something to keep in mind. So hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Please subscribe. If you subscribe, it helps me make more videos. I'm trying to reach a number of subscribers, and hopefully I'll get there. So if you like my videos, please do so. That's about it for right now. I'm going to make more on this. I'm going to make more videos on this particular vehicle as I go along. So that's it. Have a great day and keep wrenching.